I want to show you one more thing I included in this project. I'm going to shut off these tests here. And npm run dev. So I made a little React project here that lets you get all the products, and it's going to the wrong port, obviously. Let me change that really quick. Okay, that should be fixed. We can grab all the products. Well, actually, I don't think we'll be able to grab all the orders unless we write. Let's just write it real quick here. We'll go to the order controller. We need to include everything when we're getting this first one here. Otherwise, it's just going to give us the order header. And the API code that I wrote, it mimics the test quite a bit. So it is checking that the order header has order items and those order items have products, so it won't return properly. So let's just fix that quick. And that should work now. So we'll restart it. Okay, let's see it in action. We have our products. Now we could grab all of our orders. We could add an order. It's order number 18. Let's get that one order back. Here it is. It has the line items and the products there. And now these next ones, add item to order, that's something that you could develop on your own. It is in the repo. So if you want to take a look at how that works, you can take a quick look and implement that yourself or just pull it into your project. Delete item from order, same thing, that is in the repo. Check out order in the repo as well. But delete order, we did that, so let's delete the order. Great. And then let's say one order again, and this should give us a bad request. This order could not be found. Okay, so if you want to use this, kind of interact with your API as you're developing it, feel free to. I also wrote tests that use these buttons in order to test our API from React testing library and Vitest, if you want to take a look at that. But I really suggest you don't do that. I don't like how that felt. It was very clunky, and it was uncomfortable to write those tests. We were constantly awaiting for like a button to show up or a value to appear. The way that we just did it with Cypress is so much easier and so much cleaner. I really hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next video. As always, keep coding.